उत्तम अधम किछु ना बाछिल जाचिए दिले ककहल कहे प्रेमानंद ये मन गौरांगी भृदयी दरिया बोल गौरांग कह गौरांग लह गौरांगेर नामरी गौरांग कह गौरांग लह गौरांगेर नामरी गौरांग भजी श्री हई आमार प्राणरी गौरांग भजी श्री हई आमार प्राणरी गौरांग कह गौरांग लह गौरांगेर नामरी गौरांग भजी श्री हई आमार प्राणरी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरि हरि राम 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 हरि हरि हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरि हरि राम 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 हरि हरि हरे कृष्ण 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 हरि हरि राम 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 हरि हरि सुपार्षद सुयोधाम सहबतरी सुपार्षद सुयोधाम सहबतरी अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम करिबारी दान शरणागति भगतिर प्राण शिखाए शरणागति भगतिर प्राण दैन्य आत्मनिवेदन गोप्तृत्वे वरण रखिबे कृष्ण विश्वास पालन अवश्य रखिबे कृष्ण विश्वास पालन भक्ति अनुकूल मात्र कार्यर स्वीकार प्रतिकूल भाव वर्जनांगीकार भक्ति प्रतिकूल भाव वर्जनांगीकार षडंग शरणागति हईबे जाहार प्रार्थना सुनी श्रीनंद कुमार সনাতন পদে দন্তে তৃণ ধরি রূপ সনাতন পদে দন্তে তৃণ করি ভকতি বিনোদ পড়ে দুই পাদ ধরি ভকতি বিনোদ পড়ে দুই পাদ ধরি কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে আমি তো ধম কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে আমি তো কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে আমি তো ধম কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে আমি তো শিখাও শরণাগতি কর হে উত্তম শিখাও শরণাগতি কর হে উত্তম শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু জীবে লইয়া করি শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু জীবে লইয়া করি সুপার্শ্বদ সুয়োধাম সহবতরি সুপার্শ্বদ সুয়োধাম সহবতরি অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিখাই শরণাগতি ভগতের প্রাণ শিখাই শরণাগতি ভগতের প্রাণ Krishna says, that is last concluding verse of the 5th chapter, 29th verse. What is that verse? Bhaktaram Jagnatapasam Sarvaloka Maheswaram Sruhudam Sarvabhutanam Gyantvamang Santing Ruchati. He says, I am Bhaktar, I am the enjoyer of all Jagya, all Tapasya. I am the master of all planetary systems, Sarvaloka Maheswara, Sruhudam. I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. One who knows this thing, he gets peace. This is the peace formula. One thing, most important, Sruhudam Srubhutanam. He is the only well-wishing friend. So Krishna came in last Dwapar Juga. Do you understand? At the end of Dwapar Juga, that Nandanandana Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj, he taught Ragamarga Bhakti. Do you understand? Understand my language? Prem Bhakti, Ragamarga Bhakti, Bhakti based on Raga, Prema. Do you understand? It's a Raganuga Bhakti. In Gita, he has said that thing. It is just tossed. You should understand it. Gita, 700 verses, isn't it? Only 700 verses, Gita. And Krishna has given everything, the essence of all Veda Upanishads is Gita. You understand? He has spoken about Ragamarga Bhakti in battlefield of Kurukshetra while instructing Gita, giving message of Gita through whole world, to whole mankind, through Arjuna. Yes, that is what. मनमना भव मद्भक्तो मज्जाजी मंग नमस्कुरु मंग वश्यसी सत्युन्ति पतिजानि प्रियोस्मि सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामिकं शरणं व्रज. In these verses, he has spoken about Ragamarga Bhakti. You understand? Yes. He has spoken about Ragamarga Bhakti. Manana Bhava, think of me. Keep me in your mind. Every movement, always keep me in your mind. Always think of me. How will it be possible? Will it be possible without raga, without prema, priti? Huh? Will stupid mind think of Krishna? Is it thinking? Huh? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. Stupid mind is thinking of his wife. Huh? His son, his daughter, his so-called friend. Isn't it? Huh? Unpalatable truth. This is unpalatable truth. Yes. Isn't it? Huh? Is thinking Krishna? No. Why? Because you have not put Krishna in the platform of love. You have not developed love for Krishna. Yes. No. How stupid mind can think of Krishna without a love? This is question of love. Yes. Manana Bhava. Think of me. Day and night, 24 hours, think of me. The same instruction. The same instruction. This is Krishna's instruction, this is Gaura's instruction. Do you understand? This is also Mahaprabhu's instruction. Because Mahaprabhu came to teach us how to surrender, came to give that prema. That prema. Without that prema, without that love, there is no question of saranagati. There is no question of surrender. There is no question of manmana bhava. Think of me always. No question at all. How can you become manmana bhava? How can you think of Krishna always without love? Can you? No, you can't think. This is question of love. Mahaprabhu said the same. Bolo Krishna bhaja Krishna, gao Krishna nama. Krishna binu keha kichu na bhaviyo ano. Krishna binu keha kichu na bhaviyo ano. Jodi ama proti sneho thaki soba kaharo. Krishna bolo boloni Anisa Chinta Krishna bolo boloni. In Chaitanya Bhagavata, this Vrindavan Das Thakur has quoted Mahaprabhu's words. Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Gav Krishna Naam, Krishna Vinu Keho Kichu Naam Bhabiyavan. Don't think of anything but Krishna. Utter the name of Krishna, chant the name of Krishna, sing the name of Krishna. Don't think of anything but Krishna. How will it be possible? Without love? Will it be possible? Can it be possible? Jodi ama prati sneha thake swabhakar tobe Krishna byatirikta na gaibe pa. If you really love me, if you have love and affection for me, so don't think of anything but Krishna. Don't utter any word but Krishna. Don't sing anything but Krishna. So, if you have love and affection for me, so you must have love and affection for my words. Yes. So this Mahaprabhu says, Ki soyane, ki bhojane, ki vajagarane, ahar Cinta Krishna balaho badane. Day and night, ahar nisa, day and night, 24 hours, in all condition, sleeping condition, waking condition, even dreaming condition, even while taking food. Think of Krishna. Utter name of Krishna, nothing else. How will it be? This is the question of love. Priti. Without that love, it cannot be possible at all. You cannot. Manmanabhava, no question of Manmanabhava. Do you understand? That Manmanabhava. But Bhakta, nobody can is Bhakta. This is Prem Bhakti. Loving service. Bhakti means service. Do you understand? Bhakti means service. This Bhakti word is only applicable for Krishna. Is it applicable for anybody else? Is it? Bolo? No. This Bhakti word is only applicable for Krishna. You should understand it very well. Yes. It is only applicable to Krishna. Yes. Bhakti. Do you understand? Without bhakti, this is called what? Prem bhakti. Bhakti means service. The word bhakti is derived from this dhatu, verbal root bhaj dhatu. Do you understand? Bhaj means service. Bhakti means service. Krishna is the person, supreme person to be served. Sabya vastu. Do you understand me? Sabya. Who is to be served is Krishna. Sabya vastu. Jiva is bhakta, is servant. Jiver swarupa hoy Krishner nityo das. Do you understand? Jiver swarupa hoy Krishner nityo das. Do you understand? So Krishna is the only subject matter of bhakti. Understand my word? No other subject matter of bhakti is Krishna only. Krishna bhakti is Vishaya. Understand? Yes. Neither Brahma nor Paramatma is bhakti Vishaya. Only Krishna. This is our tattva. You cannot apply this word bhakti anywhere else, only for Krishna. Krishna is the only subject matter of bhakti. Brahma is the subject matter of jnana. Jnana vastu. Paramatma?
Yoga.
Paramatma is the subject matter of yoga, but Paramatma sanidhya vastu. Paramatma is always with the Jivatma. Do you understand? Proximity. Sanidhya. Do you understand? But Krishna is the only Sabya Vastu. Krishna is only to be served. Yeah. So service, bhakti. Krishna is the only subject matter of bhakti. And this bhakti is prema bhakti, is loving service. There is an adjective. It is not mere service. It is loving service. Do you understand my language? Without that love, Krishna will never accept your service. It offers service. Understand, Ananta? Without that love, Krishna will never accept your service. Because it's loving service. And Krishna says the same thing. Manvana bhava madha bhakta. Become my devotee. I will become his devotee. Without love. Can you become his devotee without love? No, no, no. No. It is only artificial. Only artificial. Without love, your so-called bhakti is artificial, ill-conditional, it's partial. Not true bhakti, not true. Do you understand? Yes. All of your bhakti is like this category. Artificial, conditional, partial. Because you have no love. You have love for your wife, son, daughter, bodily relations. Yes. No love for Krishna. You have not put Krishna in the platform of love. Have you put Krishna in the platform of love? No. Sutamita Ramani Rachinta, thinking of Ramani, wife. Girlfriend, thinking girlfriend, wife, son, daughter, kids, yes. Yeah. Therefore you have been suffering. Yeah. For transitory, some little transitory enjoyment. जे ही संस्मरा भोगा दुख जो नयो ये बते आद्यंतवंत कौंतेय नाते सुरामते बुद्धा कृष्ण गीता कृष्ण said संस्पर्शजा भोगा they say what is that bhoga enjoyment happiness received through sense gratification sense enjoyment. Do you understand? Dukkha jonaya is the source of unlimited misery, yes. Unlimited. There is also bhoga, dukkha jona, unlimited misery. Just for transitory. 1 second. It's only for 1 second. Maybe 1 minute is, if it's long, it's maybe 1 minute, for only 1 second. 1 second enjoyment, Baba. Isn't it? Jayanta Krut Prabhu. Only for 1 second. Enjoyment, this transitory material happiness, enjoyment, transitory, temporary source of unlimited misery, gives rise to unlimited misery. Adyantavanta, it has beginning and end. Nate suramate buddha, those are real learned Buddha, wise men, intelligent, they never run after it. Because consequences, unlimited misery is very good. Ananta, you want so? Is lamenting. Let me taste that round-shaped fruit. Round-shaped fruit, chakka phala, round-shaped. He has tested, ask him. Still not satiated, aspiring for more. So many lasses. Still very nice lasses. Yes, very nice. Very nice lasses. Such intoxication. Oh, such madness. Yes, such intoxication, such madness, yes. You should understand. But what is real love? It's object of love and subject of love. Object of love is Krishna. So we have not put Krishna in the platform of that, for we have been suffering. Krishna is our only well-wishing friend. He says this thing. I have given this instruction, this Dwapara Yuga, through Arjuna to whole mankind. Manmana bhaka mad bhakto mad jaji mang namaskuru. Think of me always. Don't forget me even for a moment. Keep me in your mind always. That is Manmana bhaka. Become my bhakta, become my servant. It's loving service. Without love you cannot become his servant. Do you understand? Mad jaji, offer worship to me. Mang namaskuru. Our obeisance to me. This is all based on love. Do you understand? This is Raga Bhakti, Raga Marga Bhakti. in Gita. Elaborately discussed in Srimad Bhagavatam. Is elaborately discussed. Do you understand? What is said in Gita precisely is elaborately discussed in Srimad Bhagavatam. Yes. Srimad Bhagavatam elaborately discussed. Do you understand? In Chaitanya Charitamrita, the most confidential truth about prema is there in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Therefore, Chaitanya Charitamrita is postgraduate study. Postgraduate. Gita, primary study. Srimad Bhagavatam, degree, study of degree stage. And Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita is postgraduate study. Most confidential subject matter of the prema is there. And Krishna only gave a touch only touch of Raga Bhakti. Sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. Giving up all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. It's the question of surrender. To understand Saranagati, to give up all varieties of dharma. What is varieties of dharma? Desha dharma, jati dharma, kula dharma, marjada dharma, veda marjada dharma. Do you understand? Krishna says sarvadharman paritejya. Give up all varieties of dharma. Then surrender. The question of surrender is there. Unless you give up all varieties of dharma, you cannot surrender. No, I can't. I have to do this thing. Yes, isn't it? So there is no question at all. This is question of love. It's question of love only. Pure love. And gopis are the example. Who kicked all Veda Marjada Dharma? They are housewives. Yes. They have shackles, very strong shackles. This is Vedic etiquette. Yes. A housewife, married lady who has husband, father-in-law, son-in-law, family, sons, daughters, do you understand? Cannot get out of the house. No, cannot get out. No, cannot. This is Vedic shackle. Very strong shackle. Yes, Srunkhala. This is Srunkhala. Shackle. Yes. If she gets out, she will be condemned in the society. Condemned. Yes. Because she becomes prostitute. She becomes prostitute. Because she gets out of the house threshold without permission. Got out. Do you understand me? Broke the Vedic regulations. So she becomes prostitute. Yes. But what do gopis do? Dead of night, they leave home. Dead of night, not broad daylight. Dead of night, hearing the sweet singing of the flute of Krishna. Krishna plays it, float in the jungle of Vrindavan. Venu Gite Jake Radharo Namo, yes, Radhe Dako Ekano. Through. Radhe, 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 please come, please come, please come. The flute sings in that way. Venu Gite Jake Radharo Namo, yes, Radhe Dako Ekano. Krishna calls Radhe through flute. Do you understand? So, Radha runs. And gopis, they are all expansion of Radharani. Do you understand? Gopis are all innumerable expansions of Radharani. Krishna only plays with Radha. Plays with Gopi means only plays with Radha. Yes, is Radha Raman. This is Radha, Radha Swarup. Do you understand? Krishna says, why I am here in this Brajabhumi? Kahan lagi mora rasa? Tuhum lagi mora Brajavasa? O Radharani, for you only I am living here in Brajabhumi. For you only I am manifesting and dancing in rasa. Only for you. It's Radha. Do you understand me? So, And innumerable gopis, innumerable manifestations of Radharani. There is gopis. You should not think they are different. No. Their nature may be different. Facial expressions may be different. But they are all Radha's expansions. Do you understand? This Radha Tattva is there. I am not going to tell, just give you a touch. Give you a touch, very confidential Tattva. You cannot understand it. You cannot understand. You have material bent of mind, material thoughts only. Your thought goes only material path. Material path. All your thought process goes on there. You cannot understand it. Yes. So, dead of night they run. Yes. Kicking all Veda Dharma, Veda Marjada. Huh? Isn't it? The family shackles, Vedic etiquette, Vedic regulations are very strong shackles. They broke it, they break it and go, run. So, this is real love. This is real love. Do you understand? Real love. Sarva dharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. Therefore, Krishna what says, this is Raga Bhakti. This is Raga Bhakti. This is Prem Bhakti. You can give up all the rights of dharma, even the Vedic etiquette. Unless you develop your love for Krishna, you cannot do it. Example is gopis. Do you understand?